The 1992 Lincoln Cent, a coin that may seem ordinary at first glance but holds some incredibly rare and valuable varieties that can be worth thousands of dollars. If you have a 1992 penny, you might want to take a closer look, because you could be holding a small fortune in your pocket. Stick around as we explore its history, design, rarity, and some of the highest auction prices ever recorded. History of the 1992 Lincoln Cent. The Lincoln Cent series has been in circulation since 1909, featuring the portrait of Abraham Lincoln designed by Victor David Brenner. By 1992, the coin still carried its familiar memorial reverse, which had been introduced in 1959 to commemorate Lincoln's 150th birthday. The 1992 penny was struck at two main locations: Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, 4,648,905,000 minted; Denver Mint, D, mint mark, 4,448,673,300 minted. Because of its high mintage, most 1992 pennies are common and worth only face value, unless you have one of the rare era varieties that collectors hunt for. Design of the 1992 Lincoln Cent. Obverse, front side, features a right-facing bust of Abraham Lincoln by Victor D. Brenner. The inscriptions include, "In God We Trust," above Lincoln's head; "Liberty," to the left; the year, 1992, to the right; a small D mint mark below the year if minted in Denver; reverse, back side, Lincoln Memorial design by Frank Gasparo. The inscriptions include, "United States of America," at the top; "E Pluribus Unum," below it; 1 cent at the bottom. The reverse would only last for a few more years, as the U.S. Mint replaced it in 2009 with a series of designs honoring Lincoln's life. Rarity and valuable varieties of the 1992 Lincoln Cent. While most 1992 pennies are common, there is a rare variety known as the 1992 Close AM penny, which can sell for thousands of dollars. 1. 1992 Close AM, rare variety, worth thousands. On regular 1992 pennies, the letters A and M in America are spaced apart, wide AM. In the rare, close AM variety, the letters A and M are almost touching. This variety is believed to be a prototype design for the upcoming 1993 penny, which permanently switched to a close AM style. Both Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver, D versions exist. 1992 Close AM penny values. Auction prices: 1992 Close AM, no mint mark, Philadelphia, XF 40, $1,000 plus MS 65, $5,000, $10,000 MS 67, over $20,000. Auction highlight: in 1992 Close AM Lincoln Cent graded MS 67 RD by PCGS sold for $25,850 in 2017. 1992 D Close AM, Denver Mint, even rarer. Only a handful of these exist. XF 40, $5,000 plus MS 65, $20,000 plus MS 67. $30,000 plus. Auction highlight: in 1992, D Close AM Lincoln Cent graded MS 64 RD by PCGS sold for $20,700 in 2012. If you have a 1992 penny, check America on the reverse, because if the A and M are touching, you could have a five-figure treasure. Other valuable 1992 Lincoln Cents too. 1992 penny in high grades. Regular 1992 pennies in MS 67 or higher can be valuable due to their scarcity. A 1992 Lincoln Cent, no mint mark, in MS 67 RD sold for $1,000 plus. A 1992 D Lincoln Cent in MS 67 RD has sold for $500 to $1,500.3. 1992 Lincoln Cent errors. There are also error coins that can make a 1992 penny worth more. Off-center strikes, 10% to 50% off, worth $50, $500. Double die obverse, DDO, worth $100 to $1,000, depending on severity. Struck on wrong planchet, e.g., dime planchet, worth $2,000. $10,000 plus. How to sell a 1992 Lincoln Cent. If you think you have a valuable 1992 penny, follow these steps. Check for the Close AM variety. Use a magnifying glass to examine America On the reverse, look for high-grade coins. Coins in MS67 or higher are much more valuable, get it graded. If you have a close AM variety or a high-grade specimen, send it to PCGS, NGC, or Annex for authentication. Sell online. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Great Collections are great for selling collectible coins. Visit a local coin dealer or show. You can also sell to local coin shops or attend coin shows for potential buyers. Final thoughts: the 1992 Lincoln cent is a fascinating coin with one of the rarest and most valuable varieties in modern U.S. coinage, the 1992 close AM penny. While most 1992 pennies are only worth face value, finding a close AM variety or a high-grade example can mean a payday of thousands, or even tens of thousands, of dollars. So, go check your coin collection. You might have a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1992 Lincoln cent. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.